Most traders think they lose because of wrong analysis, but that's not the real reason. There is a very specific moment in the market where almost everyone enters with confidence, and that exact moment is designed to trap them. The strange part is, you can see it happening clearly on the chart, but only if you know what to look for. In the next few seconds, I will show you that exact moment and why waiting just a little longer changes everything. First, observe how the market establishes intent. Price does not move randomly. It leaves structure behind. Here, we get a clean break of structure. This is the point where the market decisively shifts and starts printing higher highs. At this stage, most traders feel confident that the trend is confirmed, and they begin looking for immediate entries. But structure alone is not enough, because what comes next is where the majority gets misled. Right here is where the setup becomes deceptive. Everything aligns with the trend. Structure is clean, momentum looks strong. This is exactly the point where most traders feel the urge to enter. It looks safe, logical, almost obvious. But that is precisely why it is dangerous. Because when a setup looks this perfect, it often means the market is preparing something else. And what happens next will prove that clearly. Now watch this move closely. Price pushes beyond the recent levels and takes out liquidity on both sides. This is not continuation. It is a liquidity sweep. The market is simply clearing orders, removing weak positions, and creating imbalance. To most traders, this looks like strength, but in reality, it is preparation. Because once liquidity is taken, the market has what it needs to move in the intended direction. Now the market creates a subtle but critical move. After the liquidity sweep, price gives a small continuation, just enough to build confidence. This is not real strength. It is inducement. A controlled move designed to pull more traders into the wrong direction. Everything still looks valid, the trend appears intact, and that is what makes it effective. Because while traders are entering here with confidence, the market is positioning for the opposite move. Now observe where price actually reacts. After trapping traders, the market returns to a precise area, the point of interest. This is not random. It is a level where orders were previously left unfilled, and price comes back to rebalance. From this zone, the market finds support and begins to shift direction again. And once that reaction is established, the objective becomes clear. Price starts moving toward buy-side liquidity. Now comes the most critical moment in the entire setup. This is where precision matters more than prediction. At this point, many traders are ready to enter because price has reached the zone they were waiting for. But entering here without confirmation introduces unnecessary risk. The market has not yet revealed its true intent. There is a specific signal that separates a calculated entry from a premature one, and that is what you need to focus on next. Now focus on the reaction from the zone. Price does not hesitate. It responds immediately with a strong bullish candle. Notice the size of this candle. It is large, decisive, and shows clear displacement, indicating aggressive buying pressure. This is not random movement. It is confirmation that the point of interest is valid and that the market has chosen its direction. The key is not the zone itself, but how price behaves after reaching it. Once this confirmation candle closes with strength, it provides a structured and reliable entry. This is where execution becomes precise, because the market has already shown its intent. Follow Discount Trader, like, comment, and share. If you focus on confirmation instead of prediction, your trading becomes structured and consistent. Wait for the right moment, trust the process, and execute only when the market shows clear intent. That is how you move from random entries to professional-level execution.